Imagine losing access to millions of dollars because you forgot a password. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, it's a reality for some people in the crypto world. But don't worry, understanding cryptocurrency wallets can prevent this from happening to you. Let's dive in. If you're new to the crypto space, you might be wondering, what's a crypto wallet? Well, in the world of cryptocurrency, a wallet doesn't store your digital money, but rather the digital keys that allow you to access and manage your cryptocurrency on the blockchain. Just as you use a physical wallet to keep your credit cards and IDs safe and accessible, you use a cryptocurrency wallet to keep these digital keys secure and ready for use. But it's not quite as simple as that. There are different types of cryptocurrency wallets, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Today, we're going to explore these differences and help you decide which type of wallet is best for you. First up, we have software wallets, also known as hot wallets. These are apps or programs that you can install on your computer or smartphone. They're called hot wallets because they're connected to the internet, making them easy to access, but also vulnerable to online threats. Examples of software wallets include mobile wallets like Trust Wallet and desktop wallets like MetaMask. Next, we have hardware wallets, also known as cold wallets. These are physical devices, similar to a USB drive, that store your keys offline. They're called cold wallets because they're disconnected from the internet, making them immune to online threats. The trade-off is that they're not as convenient to access as hot wallets, but for the added security, many people find it worth it. Ledger is a popular brand of hardware wallets that's known for its security and user-friendly interface. Then we have custodial wallets. These are wallets where another party, usually a cryptocurrency exchange, holds your keys for you. This might sound convenient, but it comes with a significant risk. If the exchange gets hacked or goes out of business, you could lose your keys and thus access to your cryptocurrency. Examples of custodial wallets include those offered by exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken. On the other hand, non-custodial wallets are wallets where you hold your own keys. This gives you full control over your cryptocurrency, but it also means you're responsible for keeping your keys safe. If you lose your keys, you lose your access to your cryptocurrency. Examples of non-custodial wallets include both software wallets like Trust Wallet and hardware wallets like Ledger. Now, you might be wondering, which type of wallet is best for me? Well, it depends on your needs and priorities. If convenience is your top priority, you might prefer a software wallet or a custodial wallet. If security is your top priority, you might prefer a hardware wallet or a non-custodial wallet. But no matter which type of wallet you choose, remember this: your cryptocurrency wallet is only as secure as you make it. Always use strong, unique passwords. Keep your software up to date. And most importantly, never share your keys with anyone. If you're interested in getting a hardware wallet, I recommend checking out Ledger. They offer a range of affordable, user-friendly hardware wallets that are trusted by millions of people worldwide. Plus, if you use my affiliate link in the description, you'll be supporting this channel at no extra cost to you. Remember, understanding cryptocurrency wallets is just one step on your journey to mastering the crypto space. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay financially savvy.